Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Feel free to call me Funmibi Olawore, the queen of DIY. I get a lot of messages from you guys hyping me up and calling me the queen of DIY. So let me know down in the comment section, should that name stay or should it go? Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful headgear right here. This headgear was also requested. I love you guys and all the requests that you keep bringing my way. Almost like you guys think I have some kind of superpower and I'm able to DIY anything. I love the energy, so let's keep it coming. Like I said earlier, we're going to be making this beautiful piece of headgear. So in case you'd be interested in knowing how I made this, please make sure you watch this video to the end. Stay till the end. Also, smash the like button, like this video, and let me know that you enjoy content like this. Alright guys, let's get straight into today's video. Okay friends, as usual, I'll show you everything you need to make your DIY project and then we'll get straight into today's tutorial. What I have here are my scissors, my thread snipper, my headband I already went ahead to pad. If you want to learn how to do that, I'm going to link a video on the screen. I also have two different pieces of leftover Asooke. For this particular tutorial, you don't need too much, okay? Just a little piece of Asooke to wrap your headband and then the piece for the design at the top of your headband. All right guys, so what I'm doing here is just trimming off the unkept edge of my Asooke. This piece right here is what I'm going to use to wrap my headband, and as usual, if you caught my last tutorial, if you didn't, I'm going to link it on the screen. In that tutorial, I told you guys that when you want to cut or trim the edge of your Asooke, to prevent fraying, you need a soldering iron, and that's exactly what I did in that last clip. And what I'm doing here is just wrapping my headband as usual. I don't like to waste too much time on showing you how to wrap a headband. I have numerous tutorials on how to make, you know, padded headbands and wrapped headbands and all of that. I'm going to link something really nice on the screen for you guys, so feel free to go check that out right after watching this tutorial. This is the finished look of my headband after wrapping it. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you guys will agree with that. And now guys, it's time for us to get into the tutorial proper. So the main reason why you clicked on this video, how I achieved that beautiful design that you saw at the beginning of the video. So for this portion of the tutorial, it all depends on you and how elaborate you want that rich effect that I had on my Asooke at the beginning of the video. It depends on you and your preference basically. But for this tutorial, I'm going to cut out a strip of Asooke that is 30 inches long, and after cutting out that 30 inches long piece of Asooke, I'm going to divide it into two individual pieces that are 15 inches long individually. Okay, two different pieces, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm dividing that my 30-inch Asooke into two to give me two 15 inches pieces of Asooke. Like I said earlier, this part depends on you and how elaborate you want it to be. You can cut yours longer than mine. This is just because I want my own Asooke design to be a bit minimalist. That's why I decided to do 15 inches. Feel free to make yours 20 inches, 25 inches. Feel free to go off. So what I'm going to do at this point is just gather the bottom piece of Asooke. So at the bottom of my Asooke, I'm just going to do some gathers, and I don't know how to explain this part, so I would suggest that you just watch me and what I'm doing and then replicate it on your own project. For this particular DIY project, it's pretty easy to achieve. All you need to do is just watch this video to the end, okay? Follow everything I'm doing in this video to the T, and I assure you that you can make this in very, very simple steps. You don't also need too many, items. You don't need a sewing machine. All you need is your needle and thread and you're good to go. This particular piece of design can be done by anybody, from a beginner to a professional. There's nobody that cannot achieve. Even a child can make this, okay? That's how simple this particular design is. So now that I'm done gathering that bottom part of my Asooke, right, I'm now going to go ahead to now gather the sides, okay? So the point where I cut my Asooke into two, those sides that is making my gathered design look like a piece of fan, I'm going to now gather it and then make everything have like a curved finish at the side. I don't know how to explain this part either, so please do well to watch what I'm doing. At this point in the tutorial, I'm now going to do a bit of adverts, okay? If you're watching this video and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers and I'm really hoping to hit 5,000 really soon. So please, I know a lot of you guys watch my tutorials and enjoy my tutorials, but you guys have refused to subscribe. So please, this is me begging you guys to hit the subscribe button, join my beautiful family, family. It's fun, it's popping on this channel. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends, share any of my tutorials with your friends. There's love in sharing, okay? Sharing is caring. Also, please do well to hit the like button. Hit the like button right now as you are watching this point. For you to have made it to this point, that means you're enjoying what you're watching, right? So please hit the like button and let me know that you enjoy this tutorial, okay? I share fun, easy tutorials like this from time to time on here on my channel. I try as much as possible to upload tutorials every single week, so trust me, you're not going to regret subscribing to my channel. Do well to join the family. So what I'm doing here is just gathering the sides like I mentioned earlier. I hope you caught, okay? I hope you didn't get distracted by that my adverts. I hope you caught it. If you didn't, please rewind this video and go back to watch what I did. So after doing this, I'm now going to replicate every single thing I did at this point, right? The gathering effect, I'm going to replicate it on the second 15-inch piece of Asooke, okay? But before we get to that, let's secure our stitch, okay? Very important. You don't want to forget to secure your stitch so you don't lose the work that you have put into your project. All right, guys, so this is what I have here. The next step is for me to replicate that exact thing. Everything I did on that first piece, I'm going to repeat it on the second piece. And yeah, guys, I'm not going to waste too much time on this. I'm going to move through it really quickly so you guys don't get bored and click out of this video, okay? It's hard to keep you guys watching a video till the end, okay? So that's why I'm rushing things. If you want a more detailed outlook, if you want me to slow down in my videos, let me know down in the comment section. But I don't know, it's hard to please you guys, right? Sometimes some people will say I should slow down, some people will say make it snappy. Let me know, what do you want from me? Let me know what you would love me to improve about my content. All right, guys, now that I'm done saying all that, this is me securing my stitch as usual, and then we will now move on to the next stage in this tutorial, which is us attaching these our gathered pieces of Asooke to the main plastic headband that we wrapped at the beginning of the tutorial. For this piece, it's all easy peasy, right? All you're doing is just sewing your design onto the plastic headband. And as usual, I think I've answered this in one of my previous videos. When sewing something to your headband, you are passing your needle and thread through the two pieces of fabric that you're trying to join together. I get questions where people ask, oh, how do I get my needle to pass through my headband? My needle is not passing through my headband. It's almost impossible to do that. But what I do is I pass my needle in such a way that it goes through the two pieces of fabric that I'm trying to join together. So that's the trick for that particular portion. At this point here, I think I'm just going to keep quiet, so I'll allow you guys pay attention to what I'm doing. And then once I'm done sewing my two pieces of design onto my headband, I'm going to come back to talk to you guys.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find.
All right, guys, I hope you guys caught every single thing I did in the previous clip. So now that I've sewn the two designs onto my headband, I'm now going to flip my design to the, the front part, the part that is going to face whoever is looking at me, right? And then try to do little stitches to just secure that part. Because if you stop at the stitch that you did at the back, it will look as if the design is trying to fall off your head. But when you do these little stitches at the front part of your headband, it sits properly and just forms that cute little, ruched effect thing that we love. So this is the final result after I did the little stitches here and there. And yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead to rock this headband on myself, and voila, this is me rocking my headband, looking absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please, like I said earlier, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. That thumbs up helps YouTube spread my videos to a wider audience. Also, if you've made it up until this point and you're still not subscribed, please do well to join the family. We are on our way to 5K, and I'm so excited and so pumped, and I hope you guys are pumped as well. I mean, a lot of you guys have been with me right from day one, right from when I had 100 subscribers. So it's so beautiful that we are growing to up to 5,000. So please do well to join the family, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next tutorial. Love you guys so much. Bye.